Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. Before starting the process, let me tell you one thing. You want to connect your Instagram with your Facebook page. In that case, you need an Instagram professional account because only you can connect your Instagram professional account with your Facebook page. So, if you don't have an Instagram professional account, then first create an Instagram professional account and then connect that with your Facebook page. But if you have, then follow the steps, as I am doing. First, open your Instagram app. After it opens, tap on this profile icon which is at the bottom right. It is my professional business account on Instagram. So after this, tap on the option Edit Profile. From here, you will see the option page. Connect or create, tap on this one. And here is the option to connect or create a Facebook page. Tap on the option, continue, and tap on the option, log in to Facebook. Now log in to your Facebook ID, where you have your Facebook page. As you can see, I already logged in to my Facebook ID in this browser. So that's why I don't need to do this again. The only I need to do is tap on the option, continue as Rehan Khan, because I only have one page on my ID, so there is only one page. All your pages will be shown here if you have more than one. So after this, tap on the option to connect. So as you see now, my Facebook page has been associated with Instagram. After this, tap on this tick icon, which is at the top right. Let's have a look. Tap on the option Edit Profile. So, as you see now, my Facebook page has been connected to my Instagram. It was a way by which you can connect your Instagram with your Facebook page. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.